Looking for a simple, budget-friendly air fryer that still gets the job done for everyday cooking? The Amazon Basics 6-quart air fryer is designed for easy meals, quick cooking, and no-fuss operation. Right away, the biggest highlight is the 6-quart capacity. It's large enough to cook meals for families or batch cook snacks like fries, chicken, or veggies without needing multiple rounds. One standout feature is the ease-of-use window. Unlike most air fryers where you have to open the basket, this lets you check your food while it's cooking, helping prevent overcooking and keeping heat consistent. Performance is solid thanks to the 1550W heating system, which delivers fast preheating and even air circulation for crispy results with less oil. It handles everyday cooking tasks reliably, from frozen foods to fresh ingredients. The 8 preset cooking modes make it beginner-friendly. You can quickly select options for fries, chicken, seafood, and more without guessing time and temperature settings. Cleanup is also simple. The non-stick basket is easy to remove and wash, making it practical for daily use without extra hassle. Now the honest part, this is a basic air fryer. It doesn't have advanced smart features, dual baskets, or ultra-precise controls. Build quality is decent but not premium, and presets may still need small adjustments depending on your recipe. Overall, this is a great entry-level air fryer that focuses on convenience, capacity, and value, perfect for anyone who wants quick, crispy meals without spending too much. Click the link below for the best price.